Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our map sensor. The location for that is directly along the back side of the engine, pretty close to where your throttle body would be located. Now to remove this, it's going to be very simple. Let's start by removing the electrical connector. Right where my index finger is, there's a tab. You should be able to squeeze on that, and then you should be able to pull this off. If you can't squeeze it and pull it off, just carefully use a pick, get underneath the little tab, pry it up, and then you should be able to slide it off. Every time you disconnect an electrical connector, take a peek. If you see any funny colors, it's corrosion and it would need to be dealt with. Now what you're going to find is the map sensor is pressed down into two hoses. We're going to carefully grab onto this and start lifting it up. If the map sensor is stuck on it, just carefully use a pick to separate the hose from the sensor. Just going to work my way around. Other one as well. There it is, friends. Now that that's out of the way, let's just go ahead and grab onto those hoses. We're going to give them a little squeeze. You want to make sure they're still soft and pliable and they don't look like they're torn, worn, or damaged in any way. Now we can get ready to install our map sensor. You want to make sure you have this so the electrical connector is facing forward towards the front of the vehicle. Let's go ahead and carefully slide that down and onto both of the hoses at the same time. Press it down as far as you can. Once it feels like it's completely secured up against the hoses, continue on with the wiring. Let's connect that in. Listen for a click. All right, that was a faint click. I'm just going to give it a little tug to make sure it's completely secured. That looks good.